Here is a recipe of a thick and delicious hot chili sauce that we love to use at home. We use it in dips, sandwiches, and many more. Let's get started. You need 500 grams of red chilies like these ones. About 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, or more if you would like. Some fresh coriander. And some fresh dill to give it nice aromatic flavor. Couple of tomatoes. And I'm using here a cup of dried chili flakes to add to the mix. And about 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds. Salt. Couple of jars to store it. To keep them longer in the fridge, I use a little bit of olive oil at the end and a little bit of vinegar. I'm using here apple cider vinegar because it's much healthier. Start here by cutting the stems of the chilies. I enjoy the process. It's nice to make some chilies at home. Cut them into half, add them to a mixer, then quickly go ahead and add the tomatoes. Next is to chop the herbs. You can add them to the blender if you want. I like to enjoy the process here and as well enjoy the smell of the fresh herbs. Go ahead and add them to the mix. And by the way, you can be creative with any herbs you like. They just make the difference. Next, to add the garlic, dried chili flakes, and 1 or 2 spoons of coriander seeds. 2 teaspoons of salt. Go ahead and close the lid. Mix it for 1 minute at maximum speed. It smells amazing. Add the mix to a jar of your choice. I'm using the same Thermomix lid here so we don't make a mess around. To store this in the fridge for up to 4 weeks, go ahead and add a little bit of olive oil, some vinegar, and as I said, this is such a beautiful, simple hot chili paste that you can always have at home. We use it pretty much in everything and it adds tons of flavor.